If you're looking forward to grow your channel fast and also get fast visibility, hold on, because I'm about to show you how this particular video of mine got 35k views in few hours of uploads. How I started getting 25k views, 30k views, 23k views on each of my shorts, and each of these shorts gave me at least 1000 subscribers, 1200 subscribers. So one video can actually get you your subscribers. One video can actually give you that visibility you are looking for. So if you are getting less than 1k views on your short, or you don't even have any subscriber at all, or your channel is still very new, this video is for you, because I'm about to show you how you can go viral. I've been uploading shorts on my channel for a while now, and I was actually getting less than 1k views. But the moment I found out this technique and I started applying it, I started getting 25k views, 30k views, 23k views. 30. In fact, I have a video that is currently at 64k views. I'm going to show you all my analytics to show you proof of what I'm saying. And in this video, I'm also going to show you how you can replicate this on your channel, so that you're going to start getting visibility, you're going to start getting subscribers. Because see, the fastest way to grow your channel on YouTube is by uploading shorts. But there are ways that you're going to upload that short, you're going to get views, and there are ways you're going to upload a particular short on your channel and you're going to get 0 views, or you're going to get less than 200 views. Okay, now one thing about this technique that I'm about to show you in this video is that YouTube is the one pushing each of these shorts. Okay, I'm not promoting it, I'm not paying, I'm not doing anything. All I do is just to use this technique to upload on that particular channel and then leave the rest to YouTube while YouTube pushes this video. In fact, one of my subscribers actually got 30 million views from one single shot. Imagine the amount of subscribers that one single video is going to give her. Imagine getting 30 million views, 9 million views on a short. And this is the technique I'm about to show you in this video. Do well to watch this video, because this is a tutorial video. I'm going to be showing you how you need to start uploading your shorts from now on, so that you can start getting a lot of views. I'm just going to take you to my YouTube studio, show you the analytics of the videos that I'm actually talking about, the proof that this actually works, and I'll also show you how you can replicate this on your channel, so that the next short you're going to upload on your channel is going to blow up. And without much being said, let me take you straight into the main video. So here is the short, and it is ranking 1/10, and it currently has 65,900k views. Now look at the message at the top. Wow, you got lots more views and viewers are sticking around to watch your short for longer, which means the short is actually doing so well. So now let me click on this to show you the exact views I got in less than 24 hours. So in 6 hours of uploads, I got 11,957, and in 12 hours of uploads, I got 35,460 something. Now to show you, YouTube was the one pushing this particular short. You can see how viewers find this video. Short feeds, which is the highest percent, 94.5%. Majorly YouTube was the one pushing this particular short. So now I'm just going to show you how you can upload your short so that you can achieve similar result like this. So the first thing you need to do is go to your YouTube app, click on the plus sign. So once you click on it, you're going to see an interface like this: video, shorts, live and post. Click on short, then you click on add. It is going to take you to your gallery. Okay, so now you're just going to find the video you want to use for that particular short. So once you click on your preferred video, click on next, and it is going to take you to the next interface. So now you click on done, so that it is going to process. So now it is done processing. Now there are two ways you can make your videos go viral. Is either you use the add sound, or you use the other type that I'm going to be showing you. So just keep watching. Okay, now let's assume that you want to use the add sound. Probably you made a video about, you making comments, or somehow you're just talking in the video. You don't necessarily need add sound, so you'll be using the other technique. Now let's assume you want to use add sound, right? You just click on the add sound, and then to take you to this interface. Now what you need to do is to look for viral songs here that has millions. So just scroll down to look for good songs. See, you don't necessarily need to like the song, so far people are actually using that song. Now look at this one. We have 3 million shorts videos have actually used this sound. 26 million people have actually used this sound. So those songs that have millions in front of it, those are the kind of song you should actually look out for and use on your videos. Okay, the main thing is for you to go viral, and this is the way you can actually go viral, using viral sounds. Okay, so now once you've seen the one you want, just click on it and it automatically adds to your video. Now after adding the sound, it is actually going to bring you back to this interface where you see your main video, and then you can decide just to put something like a write-up, just just to make the video look popping, and to grab the attention of people. Now this is not necessary, but if you want to, you can just add it. Now If you don't want to use song, you don't necessarily need to use the ad song. Like I said, just go ahead, you can put this right up and then leave it like that. Now you click on next, okay, and it is going to process your videos and bring you to this interface. And what you need to do next is to pick a thumbnail. Okay, your thumbnail matters. Do you get? Because this is what is going to catch the attention of people. If your thumbnail is not catchy, people are not going to click. So you also need thumbnails for your shorts. So we're just going to pick a very beautiful part of the video and make it as thumbnail. Okay, so now we're back to this interface where you have to put your caption, which is also like your title. Now you need to be very creative with your title. Make sure it is something very catchy. Let it be curiosity driven enough to make people click. Okay, so now we're just going to type this just for this tutorial. Now this is where the second technique comes in, where you have to pay attention. Okay, so now after writing your title, what you need to do next is your hashtag. Okay, these are the hashtags that are going to push that particular shot. Okay, so I'm going to be giving specific hashtag you should always use on each of your shots if you want to go viral. Now the first one is that you're going to type hashtag viral. Okay, now you can see it has 698 million videos. Okay, so now we're just going to click on it and then come back to type hashtag shorts. Okay, so it is going to bring it out. You can see we have short feed 1.6 million short videos and hashtag short. You can see short has highest, which is 1.5 billion videos. So always use hashtag short in every of your shots. Okay, so now we're going to look for another one, which is hashtag viral videos. You can see there are two viral videos, hashtag viral videos, one with 35 million, one with 350. So we're going to go with the highest. Okay, now let's look for the last one, which is hashtag shorts videos. Okay, now the main thing about this hashtag is that always use hashtag that has millions in front of it. Okay, this is really going to help your videos go viral. Don't just go for any random hashtag. Okay, now you need to impute these 4 hashtags, then you can add either 1 or 2 hashtag related to that particular video you uploaded. Okay, this is really going to push that particular video. So now because I'm dancing the video, I'm just going to post hashtag dance and then hashtag reaction. Okay, because I was actually reacting in that video. So yeah, this would be everything for the hashtags. So the next thing is for you to come to public and remove it from public. Either put it on private or unlisted, but unlisted preferably. Then the next thing is for you to go to your description and add description. Now what you need to do is to come to this place, the title or the caption, and copy and paste everything. Just long press on it and then copy it, then go to the description and then you paste it there. Okay, so now we're just going to paste it, and yeah, you can add more tags if you want, and then you can also add keywords relating to the video itself. Now, so once you're done with this one, so just click on related video, then you can add any of your long form videos to that particular shot, just to drive traffic to your long form videos. Yeah, so after doing that, the next thing is just for you to go to altered content. No, it is not altered if it is not AI. So then you go back and then you can also add tags. If so, for the tags, just add shorts. You remember the tags we added at the caption. You don't need to add hash at the beginning of the tags. Just type out the tags like that, and then this will also still help the video to go viral. Okay, so this is the technique that I'm actually talking about. This was the exact thing I did on that particular shot of mine that gave me 35,000 views 12 hours in 12 hours of uploads. I've never had that kind of breakthrough before, and I've been applying this on each of my shots and it has been doing well. Now the next thing for you to do is do not make that shot public immediately. Okay, yeah, so once you're done optimizing like this, you need to leave it for at least 1 hour, 2 hours, or let's say minimum 30 minutes before you make it public. Okay, so what I do on that particular channel, if I know I want to upload a short, I'm going to upload it today, optimize it today, and then I'm going to schedule it for tomorrow. Okay, so that is how I upload my shots. But if in case you can't leave your data on, you can just leave it on unlisted, then just optimize it and let it be, and then whenever you want to make it public, you come back and make it public. And then another sweet part of uploading shorts and going viral is not just about the subscribers. Do you know you can also get monetized via shorts? Yes, once you have 10 million views, 3 million views with 500 subscribers, or 10 million views with 1,000 subscribers, you're going to get monetized. In fact, YouTube is going to send you that email for you to apply. I know you may be asking if I should upload shorts, won't it affect my channel? But one thing is that if you want to upload shorts and you're also uploading long form videos on your channel, try to balance it. Okay, because if you focus more on shorts, shorts and you upload more of shorts and less of long form videos, you're going to train the algorithm to push your shorts more. So whenever you drop a new short, it is definitely going to push it. And if you upload long form videos, it may suffer low views. Okay, so try to balance it up. Now this will be the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried uploading shorts this way and if you got results. And yeah, if you're new to this channel, please do also like this video, subscribe to this channel so that whenever I drop a new video, you're going to be the first person to see it. Bye.